In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule an email in Microsoft Outlook quickly and efficiently. Scheduling emails can be a lifesaver, especially if you want your message to hit inboxes at just the right time, perhaps when your recipient is most likely to check their emails. So let's dive in and explore how you can set this up in no time. First, head over to the Outlook website by visiting outlookoffice.com. Here, you'll need to sign in with your credentials, so make sure you have your details ready. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the familiar Outlook interface, where all your emails and folders are at your fingertips. Now, you're ready to start crafting your email. Locate the New Mail button, usually prominently displayed on your screen. Click on it and begin composing your message, just as you would for any other email. Go ahead and fill in the essential fields: the recipient's email address in the To field, a descriptive subject in the Subject field, and of course, your message in the Body area. Take your time here to ensure your communication is clear and concise. With your email drafted, it's time to schedule it. Look towards the Send button. Just next to it, you'll spot a small arrow or drop-down icon. Click on it, and you should see an option labeled Schedule Send. Selecting this will reveal a few preset times, such as tomorrow morning, which might suit your needs perfectly if you're in a hurry. However, if those options don't quite fit your schedule, there's no need to worry. Simply click on Custom Time to input a specific date and time that works best for you. This flexibility ensures that you can tailor your email's delivery to exactly when you want it to arrive in the recipient's inbox. Once you've made your selection, you're all set. Your email is now poised to be dispatched exactly when you want, without needing your intervention, even if Outlook isn't running at that time. This feature is incredibly useful for professionals managing different time zones or simply wanting to plan ahead without the hassle. So there you have it. Scheduling an email in Microsoft Outlook is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your communication efficiency. With just a few simple steps, you ensure that your emails arrive precisely when they should, keeping you proactive and organized. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!